I just had to make sure it was open still.
It wouldn't be open because?
Because Rory said she was going to tape it shut.
Oh, why? So you could lie to yourself about opening it?
Because she goes, I'm sorry you opened the wrong one, Mom. Let me fix
whatever,
it.
It's fine.
She's a sweet baby child. Hey guys, welcome back to Bobby and Cece. I don't know what's happening with my hands right now. I'm trying something new. So basically today
you don't do that. I hate that. Okay, anyway.
All right, so today we have our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of January 2021. And here's this.
Since we're doing the hand thing
right,
now.
since we're doing hand motions here.
Then waiting.
Right, and as you can see, our boxes are different sizes already. So we're praying to the Boxycharm gods and our Lord and Savior 10, whose name we cannot pronounce, that these are going to be different boxes, so we can have an interesting whose box is better instead of the whose box is better that is more recent.
Yes. And we're going to roll our intro, and after that, I have a story to tell you about how Bobby ruined this already. All right. Okay, so fun story time for you. Bobby thought this was her other box, and so she opened it already, so she knows what's in hers.
I do, but, hear me out. My daughter and I opened the premium box together, and my confirmation, because I get a little confirmation email thing, said it was my Boxy premium box. So it didn't occur to me that it wasn't going to be my premium box that was already shipped, because that's what my Boxycharm thing said it was. It was not. And I opened it with Rory, and I realized too late that it was not the correct one, because there were only 5 items instead of 7, or however many comes in there. So, yeah. Yeah, so we're basically just going to play comparisons here to see what I got. Basically. So we're going to open now. Yeah. This is the wrong side, Cece. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, all this stuff. Oh, yours is... God damn it. Different. I'm like, yours is different than mine. All right, so we already have a thing that's the same. I didn't want this. That is the Velvet Palette, the Ciate London Velvet Palette. I do happen to know what this palette looks like on the inside, not because I opened it, because I haven't. I didn't get it.
We've seen pictures of it online.
But I've seen pictures of it online. I also watched Manny unbox it because I love Manny.
So the other one.
I've seen what the inside of this looks like. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to get any use out of it because there's so many other palettes. And a lot of these I think are... the packaging is nice. A lot of these I think are shimmery. It's kind of cute though. This one right here.
Not gonna lie, this is kind of cute though.
I feel like...
I don't know if
they all are shimmery. Like, I don't know if there's any that are actually matte.
There's some satins. I think that's what those are. And they probably would look matte when you put them on your eyeball.
Maybe.
Whatever,
this one right up here is nice.
I'm going to use it, so I'll just swatch it. Oh, that swatch is nice, actually. Like, that picks up really nicely. Yeah, it looks, the swatch, it matches your shirt, kind of. Yeah, it does. This one right here is the one that I feel like... Is it gritty? It felt like it was gritty. It is a little gritty. It's glitter, basically. Oh, it's kind of cute, pretty. Though. Yeah, that's a pretty shade right there. So, if y'all didn't know why I'm disappointed, it's because there's an olive one and I want that one. And that's the one I also wanted as well. But here we are to not get that. Well, we'll give her a go because now I opened it and used it. Right, and my finger's been in it. Probably don't want to give it to somebody if my finger's been in there. All right, let's see what else you got. Oh, different things. Okay. People, there are different things in these boxes. What the hell is this? That is Queen with a V. Is it, what is it? Dragon Duo eyeliners. It has dragons on it! The packaging, though! Here, you can hold it up. Oh! She is cute! Oh, it's a liquid liner and like a regular liner. Okay. Oh, that is cute. The packaging is so cute. It has little dragons on it. Little dragons. Oh, it's felt tip, isn't it? Yeah, which I like felt tips, so. I don't really like felt tips. Oh, that's like black. That's like black. That's like hella black. That is like one of the blackest liners I've seen. Let's see if it dries down matte. It's shiny. I'm okay with that. Cece's like, I like me a shiny liner. I don't. Okay, the pencil's not as black, but that doesn't really bother me. Yeah, in the waterline. Yeah. Well, it looks, they swatched really nice. Yeah, so the packaging is hella cute. Yeah, like 10 out of 10 for packaging. All right, I'll open the one I've actually opened. Okay, so this is a Balm. It is bee friendly. It says on the side.
Instructions: in cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm and to make it easier to flow from the nozzle. So this is thick. This stuff is thick. I have put it on my lips. I'm so sorry that I tried it first. It was thick, but let me tell you about how this is great. Okay, I put it on and then I realized, oh shit, I shouldn't have done that because this isn't the right box. But I have hella dry lips. Yeah. And so this is something I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. So I'm living my best life for this.
Next, I'll just get out the thing that I picked. This is a toner. I don't know who's by, but it's a toner. Sprayable toner.
Ooh, it's a glass bottle.
I know. Reset Mist. Quartz infused. Oh, I didn't know that. Do you smell good? Like? Lavender body and linen spray. Oh, it smells like lavender. Oh, that smells good. Maybe it's not a toner then. I thought it said toner.
It says Reset Mist, right?
Lavender body and I guess it's like a body mist. Okay.
So it's like a perfume.
It smells fucking delicious. I love that. Shelby, if you're watching this, Shelby, if you happen to watch any of our videos, you will love this and I will let you use it.
She is very lavendery. Okay, so this is the Lifestyle Co. So this is the same brand that Temple Rub is.
Yeah.
So.
But it's a body.
The bottle is great.
It's a body mist and linen spray. So maybe it just helps calm you because that's what kind of lavender does. Supposed to help calm you.
Probably try to spray it on a pillow that you don't use. Yeah. You know how you lay on and you got like 12 pillows behind you? Spray it on one of those and see how that is.
I really like that. That's not what I thought it was. On the website, I thought it was a toner, and I was wrong. So, hey, cool. I'm not mad.
Hitting us with them gimmicky things. All right, so the next thing I have is the Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask.
It really just knows that your lips need help.
My lips need so much help. It says it's Seraphine Botanicals. I can speak. We all know I can't. At some point, I'm going to recognize that I can't speak. So this is a little bottle that she comes in. It has like a little top. I can't even. What's that shape? A hexagon?
An octagon?
It's something.
Hexagon? How many sides does it have? 8?
It does have 8.
Then it would be an octagon.
Yeah. Did you see me count this now? All right. So I didn't open it yet. So I don't know what it smells like or anything. I don't know what it is.
I hope it smells like apples.
Because I noticed before I got too far into this. Fuck.
This is like some random shit in these boxes this time.
Hey, it's pink.
Oh.
Does
it smell like apple? It does smell like apple.
Smells fucking great. Oh yeah, we're gonna try that later. Because I need all the hydration. Bye.
Okay.
I need all the hydration I can get.
Another fucking eye cream. However, I like Dr. Brandt, so I'm gonna let that slide.
I actually have this eye cream.
Because Dr. Brandt is great. What do you do? Wrinkles, dark circle, puffiness, got all of them. Maybe not puffiness. I wish they were puffier than they were. Underneath my eyes, kind of sad. Cool. I'm assuming this is going to be good because Dr. Brandt makes great skincare.
It is good. I have really dry under eyes, and I feel like that helps with the dryness. I actually have it, and I really like it. So
hey, cool.
I think she's going to, especially because she's like the queen of skincare over here.
That's true.
All right. So the next thing I have, this is the thing I chose, and this is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer because I love me a tinted moisturizer. Like literally all the tinted moisturizers, bring them to me. I just need so much. So we're going to see if this is my shade because who knows.
This is why I didn't pick that because by the time it gets here, it probably won't be anywhere near what I need.
I have the shade LN2.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
I think it'll be good. Doesn't have a scent really at all. It does say that it is broad spectrum, SPF 20, so that means this is probably going to be great when I can't wear it in the summer because I'll be too dark from going outside.
Well, an SPF that low in a tinted moisturizer, I don't think is going to do a whole bunch for you anyway. So it's not like the biggest
Well, I guess
deal.
the winter you probably want to have
SPF too.
SPF anyway.
Around here at least.
Right, because of all the snow and reflections and BS that happens here.
Okay. The last thing that I have is a moisturizer. And it is, or no, it's not. Yes, oil-free gel moisturizer. This is actually newer from them. It's not new, but it's newer. I remember when this launched at Sephora. I like this. It's good. I'm probably glad that I got this, not Bobby, because I don't think she would like this. I don't think it's going to do enough for her face.
This is hilarious because I have the Pharmacy Deep Sweep.
That stuff's really good too.
Pore cleaning toner, but look at the packaging. These definitely go together.
They launched at the same time.
This is So cute.
Pharmacy is a cute brand. They're a very cute brand.
They are. I love this. Okay, they have little like papayas on the front, I think.
And they are, I believe, a completely clean beauty brand too, if you're concerned about that.
Yours has it on the side too. So it says paraben free, synthetic fragrance free. Love that.
Formaldehyde free.
Yep.
Phthalate free. Yes. Mineral oil free.
Yes.
Cruelty free.
Yes. So this is the same. So I love that. It says our skincare formulations are free of artificial colors, so the color of the product might change over time. Rest assured that it will not affect the product's effectiveness. I love that they put that on there.
And I feel like if you open it, I think it's green.
Well, the best part is that like they are like, hey, we don't have any artificial colors, so all those products you think aren't actually changing, they're changing too, but there's artificial color in there.
Pharmacy's a really interesting brand.
Mm-hmm. Farmer cultivated, scientist activated. I love.
Like they're so cute. I love their packaging. It's really expensive feeling.
Wow, yeah, it's a glass bottle.
Yeah, mine's glass too.
Listen to us on it with our fake nails.
Mine doesn't do as cool of a sound though.
Is it because of my?
No, it's because my glass is different.
Oh, just also great. Let's smell. Oh, is there?
Mine smells good.
There's a lid. Let me just. It smells like something I have. Oh, what is it? I can't open this with these talons.
What are you doing? Oh.
I don't smell anything.
But yeah, I really like Pharmacy skincare. I've used their eye creams and stuff before, and I really like them. Their cherry brightening line.
I have also used, they have like a honey glow.
Yeah, the honey glow face mask. And they have
the
honeymoon serum or something like that.
That's what it is. It's a Pharmacy honeymoon glow AHA, BHA, something, thing for your face. Tis great. Yes. I actually repurchased that. I got one from a Boxy Charm and then repurchased it afterwards because I liked it so much.
I really like their face mask. It's really cute. It goes in the same series. It's the honey one. You'll see it. It's like a hexagonal shaped thing with like a wood lid. There we go. Wood lid.
Yeah, and as I said, the packaging of the other one is also frosted glass. So obviously, the Pharmacy is probably on the spendier side. And since this is the end of All She Wrote, we're to find out what our prices are here. But the way that this feels to me, I'm just going to like venture a guess. Based on the way this feels, I feel like this is going to be in the $40 range. That's just my guess.
Well, considering my moisturizer is $38.
All right, so let's see. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is the Fresh Start for those of you who can.
We need that.
We do. Okay, Pharmacy. This is only $28.
My moisturizer is more expensive than that.
But this feels.
Yeah, they feel very expensive.
More expensive. This feels expensive to me. Like, I don't know what it feels like on my face yet, but it feels expensive. The bottle does.
I assume you'll probably get some burning feel if you get burning feel with like some of those other peely sort of.
Yeah, I'm sure I will.
Because it's more acid.
Just down here and around my nose. All right, so that Ciate London palette that we both got was $30.
And it's a new launch.
Yeah, it says new launch on here.
The Lifestyle Co. Reset Mist is $36 here. Let me read about this. Indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. Spray the Reset Mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep and use it as a toner. Oh, you can use it on your face. Okay, I wasn't wrong. For your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil.
Let's also just say she needs some calm in her life.
Yeah, that's kind of cool though. I like that it's dual purpose.
All right, so hey, this is ideal for acne-prone skin.
Hey, look at that, perfect.
All right, so the Tinted Moisturizer is $35, and I think the Pure Lease one was somewhere in that same range.
Yeah, they were like $35.
And that's also a tinted moisturizer as well.
This freaking eye cream is $82.
Yeah, the eye cream, I got it from my FabFitFun box. Was expensive.
Yeah. Jeez.
Like, right? You're like, holy cow, but my eyes needed
better
that.
Look like they needed $82 of help.
Mine do, so I know. I know it worked well for my under eyes. I imagine it's going to do the same thing.
Good things.
All right, so the Seraphine Botanicals Apple Glow Lip Mask is $25, but that ran away, so I can't show you that guy. And then the Bali Balm Sweet Orange Coconut Lip Balm is $33.
I mean, if it's helping your...
I'm sorry, but $33 is a lot for a lip balm.
You probably are only supposed to use like the tiniest amount of it.
Honestly, you really don't need
and
much
it's
of it.
A mask, so I assume you're not supposed to like...
Well,
like
this one's
sort of more mask-y.
This one's just a balm. This one's more of a balm.
That one's more the mask.
The mask is only $25.
Well, maybe it's just supposed to go a long way. Or the ingredients are really expensive.
It's made from... Oh, sorry. I'm just, like, reading other ones. I'm like, pineapple, yay! I love
And then
pineapple.
the last thing is that Queen Studio Dragon Duo, which is $28.
The packaging is so cute. I'm not over it.
Yeah. I love how it's like, use Dragon Liquid Liner for smudge-proof symmetrical wings because as if your ability to put on the eyeliner is affected by if the eyeliner is good or not. No,
that's right.
I just feel like I can't do symmetrical wings, which is why they're never on my face. Created for beginners, loved by pros.
Ooh, we love that. That is cute. I hope that it works really well for you.
Me too, because
I'm excited for that for you.
Oh shit. Can we just talk about that for a minute?
Let's go in the light. It's like satiny. It's not glossy.
It's not super shiny now, but like, can we just talk about that? That didn't move.
Lick it and rub it.
It's the other one's fading, but this liquid liner's on here.
Not. I love that for you.
That's gonna be great because my left eye gets so watery. Sweet, I'm into that. I'm here for that.
Right. Well, I'm excited to try all of this stuff out.
I am also excited to try my stuff out.
This is a good box.
I was a little bit underwhelmed when I opened it at first, but I'm actually kind of into it.
I know, me too. The only thing so far that I don't know that I'm excited for is really just this. Everything else I'm pretty excited about.
I will say though, the palette,
Cece is excited about it.
When I swatched that color in the packaging, it doesn't look as dark as it goes on. Like, it looks much darker when it went on. I rubbed it, so it's off now a little bit. But it looked lighter in the pan than it does when it comes off. So that I'm excited about because I was afraid it was just going to be super pale.
Yeah. The payoff looks pretty good.
So I'll let you know. I'll wear it in the next one.
Well, we'll wear it in the next 2 weeks.
Yes.
Within the next, however, whenever we get the next box, we'll let you know.
Yeah, so in 3 months.
If you like this video, if you like this style of video, please like and subscribe and comment down below.
Comment what you got if you get this.
Or if you don't, and there's one of these things that you're excited to find out more information about, so that we can get a little focused on her, give you a little more information, do that.
Yes.
So.
All right. Well, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.